Good morning friends, Standard 12 Commerce, Subject Statistic and chapter number 1, that is index number. Okay. Last time we completed up to exercise illustration number 18 and right now we are going to discuss about next examples. It means some special examples of index number. So here we will start example number 19. So what is the example number 19? Let me see. The data referring to workers of class of a city are as follows. Find out general index number for the year 2014 and 15. So we have to find out general index number of 14 and 15. If the wages of those workers in 2014 are increased by 5% in the year 2015, is this rise in wages sufficient to maintain their standard of living? So first question is that we have to find out the index number of both 2014 and 2015, and then they ask the question, if there is an increase in 5%, is it sufficient to bear all the expenses or living of style? Okay, so first of all what we do, we have to find out the index number of both the year. Okay, so here both year is that group is given: food, clothing, fuel and expenses, electricity, house rent and miscellaneous expense. Okay, again weight is given, so here directly we are denoted weight as a W. So weight is 48, 18, 8, 12 and 14. Total will be 100. In this example, directly group index number, general index number, group index number is given. It means that directly index number is given, so no need to find out index number. This is index number. Okay, so here we have to give I1 and here index number 2, that is I2. So for year 2014 and 15, both the year, we have to find out the index number. Here, as we know, for weighted index number I is equal to sigma I1W upon sigma W. This is for year 2014 because we are denoted here year 2014 as an I1, and second one for 2015 we are denoted as I2, sigma I2W upon sigma W. Okay. So here we have to find out two things. Number one, that is I1W, and in second I2W, because in this example index number as well as weight both are given, so no need to find out anymore. Just we have to do only multiplication of both the things and find out the index number. Okay, so here first of all W is given, I1 is given. So year 2014, multiplication of these both the things. Okay, so here we will multiplying it like 210 multiplied by 48. The answer will be 10,080. 220 multiplied by 18, answer will be 3960. 210 multiplied by 8, answer will be 1680. 200 into 12, that is 2400, and 210 into 40, that is 2940. Okay, this thing that you will done with the help of calculator. Okay, now total of it. So what is the total? 21,060. So this is the total of 2014. Same way we have to find out for the year 2015. So here for year 2015, weight is here and we have to do the multiplication of these two columns. So here 48 into 230, answer will be 11,040. 225 into 80, so answer will be 4050. 210 into 8, answer will be 1670. 200 into 12, same 2400. Okay, and here 235 into 14, answer will be 3290. So in this way, again with the help of calculator, we have to find out I to W, index number for weighted index number. Total 22,540. So now we will get both the total. Now we will put all the information in the formula. 21,660 divided by 100. Answer will be 210.60. Here for same 22,540 divided by 100. Answer will be 225.40. Okay. So here we have to mention that how much it increases. How much it increases. So what we have to do? We have to do subtraction from 2015 to 2014. Okay. So here for 225.40 minus for increase. Okay. How much it increase? 210.60. So answer will be 14.8%. Okay. So here we can say that the rise of 2 years, that is 14.8 in the cost of living of workers in the year 2015, then in the year of base year, that is 2014. Okay. So here what we have to do? We have to compare. And how we will compare? So do the comparison of how much percentage increases. The formula is, okay, percentage increase in 2015. Formula is whatever difference between that means 14.8 divided by base year. So base year is 210.60 multiplication by 100. So answer will be 7.03. So here we can say that in 2014 income will be index number will be rise 5%. Instead of 8, that income is rise is 7.03%. It means that they are sufficient to bear all the expenses, because expenses rise only 5%, then income is increased 7.03%. So we can say that they can maintain their standard of living. Okay. So what we do on the basis of example, first of all we have to find out W, I1 and I2. Then what was our formula? Formula is I is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. But for it is 2014, we are denoted as a I1, and 2015 denoted as a IW. Okay. So here sigma I1W upon sigma W, sigma I2W upon sigma W. On the basis of formula, two things that we have to require. Number one, sigma I1W and W, I2W and W. Then we have to find out with the help of multiplication, then addition of both the things, put the values in the formula and find out the differences. Okay. So this is the end of example number 19. Thank you. So after the completion of example number 19, now we will discuss example number 20. So what is the example number 20? The following data are obtained from the budget inquiry of middle class family. State the change in the cost of living in the year 2015 with the respect of base year 2014. So here 2 years information is there. We have to find out whatever changes is there. By the index number, the average monthly income, average disposable monthly income of 2014, average disposable monthly income of 2014 is 30,000, and average disposable monthly income for 2015, that is 35,000. So now what is the question? So according to the family budget index number, what we have to find out? What should be rise in the average monthly disposable income of family to maintain the same standard of living of base year. So average monthly income of 2014 is 30,000. Average monthly income, average disposable monthly income of 2015 is 35,000. Now, according to 2014, 2015 index number is there 130, 150, 120, 160, 120. Okay. Weight is given 45, 20, 15, 10 and 10. And group is there like food, clothing, rent, fuel and miscellaneous expense. So we have to find out with the help of index number that if those family are live lifestyle in 30,000, that they are able to live their lifestyle in 35,000 in 2015. Okay, so this thing that we have to find out with the help of family budget method. For family budget method, what is the formula? Index number I is equal to sigma IW upon sigma W. So sigma W that we have to find out 100. Now we have to find out only one thing, that is IW. Okay, so what is the IW? That we have to find out with the help of multiplication of two things. Number one, that is W, this is called W and this is called I. So we have to do the multiplication of these two both the things. How we can find out? With the help of multiplication. Okay, so here 45 into 130, answer will be 5850. 20 into 150, answer will be 3000. 180 into 50, 1800. 160 into 10, 1600. And 120 into 10, 1200. Okay, so with the help of calculator you can do these things. Next, total 13,450. It means that 30,450. Now, what we have to do? We have to do 30,450 divided by 100. Okay, so answer will be 134.50. Okay, general price index number is 100, so we will deduct. So it increased 34.50%. Okay, how much it increased? 34.50%. Now, what we have to find out? That according to this, how much salary is required to maintain these particular things, maintain this particular standard of living. Okay, so how we can find out? So we can find out the disposable income. Okay, the disposable income for 2015 to require same standard of living. Okay, so how much we can find out? What is the base year? Particular index number of current year divided by index number of previous year multiplication by income of base year. Okay, so what is the index number of current year? 134.50. Okay, what is the index number of current year? Not given, it means 100. Income 30,000. Okay, so here the answer will be 40,350. So this much is required. Now, how much gap is there? So actually required 40,350. And what is the answer given? That is 35,000. So we will deduct. So 5,350 rupees is required to live the same lifestyle, same standard of living in compared to 2014. Again, what we have to do? First of all, what is the question that we have to understand? What is the question? That 2014 index number is given. On the basis of 2014, what is the 2015 index number? 130, 150, 120, 160, 120. They ask that in 2014 monthly disposable income is 30,000, in 2015 35,000. So we have to compare that with the help of this index number, if family is able to live same lifestyle, same standard of living, okay, with the help of family budget method. So we have to find out family budget method index number. Index number will be 134.50. General index number is 100. So what is the difference? 34.50. So what amount should be required to live a same lifestyle? An amount that we have to find out with the help of formula. And the formula is index number of current year divided by index number of previous year multiplication of income of current year. Okay, either you can add 30,000 in, you can add 34% in 30,000. Again you get this answer, that is 40,350. How much difference is there? So difference is 5,350. Okay, so this is the end of example number 20. So after the completion of example number 20, some theories is there, and theory is objective of cost of living index number, and in second part, that is limitation of cost of living index number. So here that we learn cost of living index number, and right now we are going to discuss about both the side, that is positive side as well as negative side of cost of living index number. So first of all, that we learn about the positive side. Okay, so here the objective of cost of living index number. What is the first objective? That means in simple term we can say the benefit. So first objective, that we can measure whatever change in the purchasing power of money. It means that the purchasing power, it is denoted by the money, in terms of money. So what the customers are there, those who are a power to purchase any products. For example, right now in COVID-19, all the transaction has been stopped. So right now we can face that purchasing power of money is reduced, is decreases. So here with the help of that particular index number, cost of living index number, that we can measure how much it increases or not. How we can find out? Purchasing power for money formula is 1 divided by cost of living index number multiplied by 100. So with the help of this formula we can find out the purchasing power of money. And how we can find out the real income? So real income is equal to whatever income given is there, so income divided by cost of living index number multiplication by 100. So in this way we can find out two things, that is purchasing power of money as well as real income. And on the basis of this we can find out the whatever changes of purchasing power of money by any individuals. Next, number 2, it shows the real condition of a class of an economy. What it shows? It shows the real economic condition. Okay, then how much income is there, how much expenditure is there, how much savings are there, on which part, that how much they are expending, for example in food, in clothes, in rent, in miscellaneous expense, fuel. So we can measure with the help of cost of living index number. So we can find out the each and everything with the help of cost of living index number. Number 3, measures the effect of real price of cost of living of people. What is the real price? Okay, that we can find out with the help of whatever income divided by cost of living index number multiplied by 100. So what is the real income of any consumer, of any individuals, that also we can find out with the help of cost of living index number. Next, number 4, it helps to government. It also helpful to government to make and to take the various types of policy. Okay, government made various types of policy. Okay, and that policy is like policy regarding the issues of Price Regulations and Fair Regulations Act. Okay, so whatever Price Regulations Act to fixation of price in economics terms, we can also tell that is the price determination. So also we can find out the various types of policies. It helps in to take the decision, various types of decision in the various types of policies which is made by government. Okay, so here cost of living index number is also helpful to take the government, also helpful to government to take the various types of decision when they are regarding various types of policy. Next, number 5, government and other private agencies. Okay, so government as well as other private agencies that they are gives a special benefit to the poor or middle class family, that they are denoted as ST, SC as well as OBC. So how we can measure then what type of people that they are included in the ST, SC, OBCs? So with the help of cost of living index number, they can measure or they can take the decision that how up to which level that people are included in this particular ST, SC and OBC. So here government and other agencies use it that is cost of living index number for special facilities for group of people. Then which type of facilities that we have to give to our particular areas, okay, to our individual families. So this is the 5 benefit of cost of living index number. Same as some limitations also there, because as we know every coin has two sides. So as the importance is that again limitations are also there. So what is the limitation? That also we discuss one by one. Number 1, not possible to find out common index number for whole society. Okay, because in society various types of people is there, various types of religion is there, various types of religions is there, their hobby, like, dislike, lifestyle also different. So it is not possible to find out for whole society. Number 2, it's for certain class. Some regions cannot use it because as we know every state has different type of rules and regulations. So every type of people that living of standard is different. Let us take one example. Okay, in Goa or in Abu Dhabi, in Abu there is a free to use the alcohol, but here in Gujarat it's prohibited. Okay, so here for it is not used for the whole society. Number 3, it gives average of society, not possible to find out for the individuals. Whatever we have find out, then we assume that all are living same lifestyle. It is not possible at all. So we can find out the cost of living index number for the whole society, not for any single person. Number 4, it necessary to find out a separate index number for the different class of region. Okay, we have to find out for the accurate result, we have to find out, but the index number we have to find out for the general. So again, it's not benefited to each and every person. Number 5, expenditure of family depend on the size. Most important things, that is number 1, that is size, lifestyle, liking of the family. So as we know, different types of family has different types of size. Some families are there, those where 8 persons are there in a one house, but somewhere only 2 persons, 3 persons are there. So definitely both living of index number is free. Okay, sometimes what happen, for example, like those families are there, those do not have car, so there is no expense of car. But some families are there, those who have 2 cars. So sometimes that happen, that family of X, family of first expense is equal to family of only car of second family. Okay, that whatever expense that they are occurring car, that much amount is required for doing all the activities in that particular home. Okay, so whatever lifestyle is there, whatever particular family of size is there, like and dislike, on the basis of that they are decided their family cost. And each and every family has not a single and not a same position, and that is why it is not used for the whole scenario, not a take as a average. The last calculation based on assumptions of the lifestyle of the family does not change in current year, change of previous year. What we are 2030, 40 as well as 50. But sometimes it's not happen. Okay, because some events are there. For example, like marriage is there. Okay, some death is there. So that effect is on that particular family. So here that, but actually it is change. That is, we only assume that it will be not change, but actually it is change because in 1 year many things is happens. Okay, so here for example we are taking that 1920 is same year for 2021. No, because in 2020 year COVID-19 is there, all the family transaction is down. So whatever we assume, sometime or many times it not happen in a real. So in this way, sometimes what happened that this family index number, cost of living index number is not used or not gives an appropriate answer to our families to take an appropriate decision. So what we learn in this video, number one, that is two types of example is there. Example number 19 and 20. In 19 that we learn about the different types of families there, okay, and how much it increase or decrease. And in second term, two types of one family, two income is there, 14 and 15, that we compare how much its cost of living or index number is same or not. Then some theory part is there. In theory part, objectives, 5 objectives are there that we discuss here, and 6 limitations are there that we discuss here. So up to this, after this theory, next topic is, that is exercise number 1.4. Okay, so exercise number 1.4, you already have textbook up to exercise number 1.4 that we have completed. So homework is exercise 1.4, and if you have any doubts and inquiries, then you can contact me. Okay, so this is the homework, that is exercise number 1.4 is homework for